In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to alert someone when rows change in Smartsheet. We're going to set up an automated alert so that whenever something changes in your sheet, the right people get notified without you having to send manual emails. This is really helpful for keeping teams aligned and making sure that important updates don't slip through the cracks. First, open the Smartsheet where you want to track changes. At the top of the screen, you'll see a menu bar. Look for the option labeled Automation. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all your workflow rules live, including alerts, reminders, and update requests. If you've never used it before, don't worry, we'll walk through it step by step. Once the automation panel is open, look for an option that says Create from Template. Click on that. Using a template is the easiest way to get started because Smartsheet provides pre-built workflows that already have the basic logic set up. You can always customize them later, but starting with a template saves time and reduces the chance of missing an important setting. In the list of automation templates, find the one that says, Alert someone when specified criteria are met, or something very close to that wording. This template is designed exactly for what we want, sending a notification when a row is changed in a particular way. Click on that template to start configuring your rule. Now you'll see on-screen prompts that guide you through the setup. Follow these carefully. First, you'll define what triggers the alert. This might be when rows are added or changed, or when a specific column value is updated. For example, you might choose to trigger the alert when the status column changes to complete, or when an assigned to field is updated. Next, choose who should receive the alert. You can pick specific people, contacts from a column, or even yourself. Make sure the email addresses or contacts are correct, so notifications go to the right place. You'll also see options to refine the conditions. Use these to narrow down the rule so people are only alerted when it really matters, and not for every tiny edit. When you're done, review your settings, then save the workflow. After saving, test it by making a small change that should trigger the rule, and confirm that the alert is sent. Once it works, you're all set. Smartsheet will now automatically notify the right people whenever your specified row changes occur.